Hello students, this is the next topic of the subject pharmacy practice. The name of the subject is hospital formulary. Formulary means it is typically known as a list of the medicines, that is a formulary. So it is totally giving the information, the list of drugs which are required into the hospital, particular hospital pharmacy. At its most basic level, a formulary is a list of medicine, means how many medicines are required by a particular hospital on to the daily basis, weekly basis and your monthly basis. That is known as the list of drugs which is required or which is not required. The hospital formulary is a continuously revised compilation. So that is continuously you have to make the revision, that old one drugs can be deleted and new drugs can be added. That is known as revised compilation of pharmaceutical dosage agent and their forms also. Dosage agent and their form is solid, semi-solid, parenteral. This type of formulation can be changed or revised, which reflect the current clinical judgment of the medical staff. That reflects that medical staff or any staff in the hospital, that is with the new drugs, they have known about they have the information about the new drugs. That sheet is known as the reflect the knowledge of medical staff. Then types of your different formularies in India. So first starting from is known as the National Formulary of India. National means all over the India or country, that is the National Formulary of India is given. That is, National Formulary of India is not a regulatory document. Regulatory document means it cannot regulate the all type of medicine, but it is standard format of formularies in India. National Formulary in India would serve as a guidance document to medical practitioner. The doctors, all type of medical practitioner, medical staff, they have the guidance document that is known as a National Formulary of India. That is a guidance to the medical practitioners, pharmacists, nurses, medical and pharmacy students, and other healthcare professionals and stakeholders in the healthcare system. That is the main use of the National Formulary of India, that is given by the uh, country. And the criteria for inclusion for drugs in National Formulary of India. What are the major criteria are satisfied, then only the drug can be added to the National Formulary of India. One, that is drugs in National List of Essential Medicines 2011 India, means they can be given the under the heading of national medicines. So this is the type of act is given already into the 1955. What in 1955 the act was passed by the government of India around the Essential Commodity Act. So similarly, this is the list of essential medicine 2011 also given. Essential medicine or Essential Commodity Act means what? This type of medicines or commodities should be available 24 hours to the public or society. That is known as the Essential Commodity Act or essential medicines. Means they should not be have the scarcity or any problem during the production and circulation distribution of this type of medicine. So this is the national responsibility of the government, that is known as an essential medicine, that should be present available. They should not have any shortage of the medicines. Then drugs used in the national health programs, that also can be included into the National Formulary of India, that is national health program related drugs. Drug listed in the Indian pharmacopoeia. Indian pharmacopoeia which contain the drug that should be can be listed to the your National Formulary of India. Then drugs not covered but recommended by the panel of experts. The number of drugs are not covered into the Indian pharmacopoeia, but they can be recommended by the panel of experts. This should be included to the National Formulary of India. So here it is given the two part, that is Indian pharmacopoeia and National Formulary. Indian pharmacopoeia contain the drugs with all type of information around the drugs, means its nomenclature, common names, different name into the different languages, its assay, chemical structure, occurrence, this type all for uses, side effects are given into the Indian pharmacopoeia. So sometimes in Indian pharmacopoeia drugs are not included, but they can be included into the national formulary by the panel of experts. And then any drug or drugs considered appropriate by the Indian pharmacopoeia and other the Indian pharmaceutical councils or association, this drug also can be added. So this is the part or criteria the drug can be added to the national formulary of India, that is essential medicine, national health programs medicine, Indian pharmacopoeia medicine, not covered but recommended by the panel of experts and appropriate by the IPC council. Then next part on the book or formulary, that is the physician desk reference. So physician desk reference is a different type of book published by the different types of manufacturers, pharmaceutical manufacturers. So that is given as the physician desk references, which contain the different type of information to the information of drug to the physicians or medical practitioner. So the physician desk references, that is PDR, is commercially published compilation. Commercially published means it is not by the government, it is commercially by the certain types of manufacturers. Prescribe the information on prescription drugs up to date annually. Prescription drugs means which drug can be prescribed, which is approved by the government of India. They can be prescribed by the medical practitioners. Then while designed to provide physician with the fully legally mandated information related to the writing prescription, means this physician desk reference is drug containing the legally mandated information to the into the book or about the prescription, just as name suggests. It is widely available in all over India, libraries and bookstores, and widely used by other medical specialists also, and sometimes valuable to the layman. Layman means general public, which is not a medical staff. So in that conditions they are also very valuable, means everyone can also use this drug for the purpose of knowledge of the medical medical category, that is known as a layman, means anyone, the general person. Then the compilation is financially supported in part by pharmaceutical manufacturing operations, which create the drug listed within these pages. Means sometimes they can be sponsored by the certain types of companies, pharmaceutical companies, and their advertisement can be given to the book, that is physician desk reference. Then the hospital formulary system is a method whereby medical staff of a hospital, with the help of pharmacy and therapeutic committee, that is PTC, selects and evaluates the medicinal agents and their dosage forms, which are considered most useful into the patient care, and provide information form. So that physician desk reference book have the information regarding following terms, that is procuring, purchasing, or available, from where we can purchase the bulk medicines, that is procuring. Prescribing, the drugs are prescribed by the physicians or medical practitioner. So which drug can be prescribed for which ailment or disease, this also included into the physician desk references. Then dispensing is given to the patient, and administration of drugs under brand names, where the drug have both names. Both name means common name are there also, and brand name, both the name are included in the physician desk reference. Then the formulary process is a critical to good health care and consists of developing and implementing. So physician desk references book is very important, that is formulary for the process of all type of good health care. Then a formulary list means list of medicine, that is essential medicine list. Always we are saying that essential medicine list means what? Essential, without the society, human being cannot be lived, like paracetamol, adrenaline, atropine sulfate, these are ethosalbutamol. So this type of the drugs which are very important, and without these drugs the man cannot be lived, or society cannot be sustained to live. So that type of the medicine known as the essential medicine list. There should not be a shortage of this medicine. Consisting of the most cost effective, means very cost effective should be there. Safe, they must be safe, and locally available drugs of assured quality, means everywhere, every town or villages, these drugs should be compulsory available, and that will satisfy the healthcare needs to majority of the patient. How many patient will be there, no matter, but the medicine should be 24/7 medicine should be available. So that is the national responsibility, government's responsibility should be there. A national a formulary manual containing summary information or medicine. All type of summary medicine information is given onto the physician desk references, means its common name, its proprietary name, its uses, its doses, its strength, its side effects, how many days you have to take, and all information is given to the physician desk references. Standard treatment guidelines containing essential information on how to manage the common disease. So many common diseases: cold, flu, typhoid, malaria. These are the common diseases in India. So how to treatment this type of the information also given to the your physician desk reference. Then the formulary list or essential medicine list. So that is most important factor in terms of the hospital formulary. So different types of formularies are there. Indian Pharmacopoeia is the type of formulary. National formulary means all over the India, and hospital formulary means only to the drugs or medicine required by the only by the hospital, not over all over the town, or not over the city, only by the this particular hospital. If there is a hospital having the specialty of cancer, so cancer medicine should be available. If the medicine required for the gynecology and obstetrics, or pediatric patient, geriatric patient, this type of medicine should be available. Not all type of medicine, but the hospital, which type of hospital is there, so that particular that type of hospital should contain the particular that type of medicine should be available. They are selected due regard to the disease prevalence, which type of disease are very high in this area, evidence of efficacy, safety, comparative, cost effective also important, because India is not a rich country, so that's why they should have the cost effective. Essential medicines are intended to available within the context of functioning health system. Medicine should be available at all time of the adequate amount, sufficient amount should be there in the appropriate dosage form, with assured quality and adequate information at a price the individual and community can afford. Very comparable price should be there. The implementation of the concept of essential medicine is intended to be flexible, adaptable to many different situations. Exactly which medicines are regarded as essential remains a national responsibility, means this medicine should be present 24 hours, and that is a very national responsibility. So that is known as the formulary list and essential medicine list. They should be present all over the hospital, and very low cost. So that is a very important factor of hospital formulary. That is the end of one part of hospital formulary.